video I'll be showing you how to customize your footer widget. Now, to customize your footer widget, you scroll down in your customize section, you click footer widget, then make sure that your footer is enabled. Let's scroll down here so that we can actually see the changes we make on our footer. So visibility, show on all devices, mobiles and tablets. Then fixed footer, that is if you want the footer to be fixed, so that as your page slides up, your footer will not slide with it, to be fixed. So all the pages will be sliding on top of it. So, but I always like that to be off. Then parallax footer effect. The parallax footer effect is an effect whereby it makes your footer parallax, and there will be this, some effects that makes it to move. But I like to put that off. I like keeping it simple. Then select the template. For now, we don't have a template for that, but I'll be showing you that in the more advanced videos on how to create a template for yourself. So you won't need to actually work with this. You can actually create your own template to suit your own purpose. You don't have to actually use the default. Then the columns I made mention in the previous video is this. We have 4 columns. You can reduce it to 3. So you'll see it's going to load that up. Then you can add a container. A container is basically a line, or I'll say a rectangle, that covers round your footer. So you can actually put that or remove it. Then the padding for your footer, each of the section, you can actually put a padding at the top, the right, bottom and left. Let me try and change it so that you can see what I'm saying. Let's make this one 10. You can see it moved on the right. It shifted it. It added 10 pixels. Let's add another 10 to the left. You can see that there's another 10 movement to the left. So that's what padding does. So the default here is 30 pixels for the top and bottom. Then for the background, you can change the background also, just like we did for our header and top bar. You can make it blue, or you can make it green. Then you can also change the text color. You can change text color to maybe white. Then you can change the border color to this. I like to leave it the way it is. Then link colors. Yeah, these are link colors. Like these links we put here. The reason why the reason why the text color change didn't take effect is because we actually don't have any text that we typed here. So that's why. So if we had a text that we typed here, like the contact, we will see that it's good. It will change to white. Then our links is white. Let's see if we can change to black. Okay, it makes a lot of sense. Then the over. When you over on this, it changes to blue. Let's change that to, let's see if we can change that to white. Okay, so when you over on this, you see it changes to white. So that's how to customize your footer. Then you click publish. Then you go ahead and refresh your website page to see the effect on your website. Okay, so I'm going to be refreshing this to see if my changes have been effected.